Kath Molloy here, and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. I have Steve Diggs with me, all the way from America, and let me know, what do you do to make a difference?
Oh my goodness. For me, making a difference has everything to do with trying to be the best person I can be to serve other folks. And I don't do a very good job at that a lot of the time. My goal every day, though, is to start the day with prayer and ask God just to simply give me a focus, give me somebody in my life that maybe I can share and bless with that day. It's simple math, but it has worked for me for a lot of years, and that's what I do.
Wow, how important is that? Just to have that simple prayer. And you know what, I'm so glad that we get to go to church tonight. So we've just been at a conference for 2 days, and now that we get to go and celebrate and give thanks.
I'll tell you the thing about prayer. I believe with all my heart that God is listening, He's acting, and He's paying attention to me. But at the same moment, the prayer itself puts my heart into a position where I begin to understand His purpose. And I really am drifting in His direction during the day. It makes it a lot easier in traffic when somebody cuts me off to act like I should.
Well done. High five to you. Make a difference on Monday. Speak
See
soon.
y'all.
Bye.